The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania Police Department. Residents of Pennsylvania, get to your homes immediately. 3 wolves have been spotted in the Pennsylvania roaming around killing residents of Pennsylvania. The wolves' descriptions are: a wolf that's blue and wears a red hat, a wolf with hair in dark red, a wolf that's orange with hair holding a gun in its mouth. If you see these, do not approach them. Stay tuned in for more information. This is a shelter-in-place warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania Police Department. The wolves that rampage Pennsylvania was been killing residents was been believed to be called FnF werewolves. The first wolf is boyfriend, second wolf is girlfriend, and the third wolf is Pico. They will kill the people, and there is more information about another creature spotted and not attacking residents. Stay tuned for more information. This is a war warning. This is a war warning. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The unknown creature confirmed to be Rexy from Jurassic World, and the werewolves are challenging Rexy to fight. The battle began 1 minute ago. If Rexy wins, Pennsylvania is saved. If the FnF werewolves wins, residents in Pennsylvania will be destroyed. Let's see who wins. Stay tuned for more information about this dangerous situation.